Melanie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you of my new Alma BB, and I'm going to show you what it is like when you order it online as opposed to going to the boutique. Okay, let's get started. So your order will come shipped via UPS with tracking, and you will have to sign for it upon arrival. There's my puppy Dexter hanging out with us. And on the outside of the packaging and on the address, it does not say Louis Vuitton anywhere on the outside, which is great because to me that's good for security. I'm guessing this is where their distribution center is. And there's a pull tab right here at the top that I'm going to open for you next. Okay, so I have the pull tab open, and when you lift this flap, it does say Louis Vuitton right there in big lettering. Then when you open it up, you can see your beautiful packaging, the box, and your receipt envelope. When you shop online, you don't get a shopping bag, but that's fine with me because once I get my handbag out of the packaging, I really have no use for a box or a shopping bag. Okay, so now that we have it open, here is the envelope, and inside this envelope, you have all of your receipts and whatnot. You have a little thank you card. Here, a little thank you card. You have your exchanges and returns. It tells you how to do all that stuff. And then you have a return postage slip if you need that to return it. And then you have your gifts receipt, and it says on here associate, it says smartphone. So because you don't have an associate's name, so it says smartphone, or it'll probably say something else if you order it from the computer. So that's what's in this little envelope. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box, and this is my first time opening this. I'm so excited. I haven't seen it yet, so we're all seeing this together. Okay, has the pretty blue ribbon. Then I believe this is a little gift tag in case if you wanted to send this as a gift to somebody. It's like a little gift card in there. You don't need to open that. Okay, do the ribbon. Save that. And the box, the magnetic closure, and open it up. And then we have the pretty dust bag. Okay. And here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. The Alma BB and the Damier Ebene. It is beautiful and it smells wonderful. There we go. Let's see if we can open her up. Okay. And inside here we have the key cloak. Oh, it's so soft. The leather on here is nice and soft and smooth. So we have the key cloak, strap, and then we also have the lock and its little baggie. Go right there. Then you have your little textile card inside there. And the keys are down in there as well. The beautiful red lining in the inside. And I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. I've been wanting this bag for a long time, and I'm really happy to finally have it. All right, so now I have the key bell, little key cloak attached here in the strap. And then for now, I have the lock placed here. That way I have some sort of embellishment on both sides. I do plan on going to the boutique and getting my initials hot stamped on here with the gold leafing. When you order this bag online, they will not do that for you. You have to physically go to the store and have it done. But I will be going to New Orleans in the very near future. That is the closest store to me. So when I go to New Orleans, I will go and get it done. So that'll be a nice little outing. But yeah, I absolutely love the bag. And I can't wait to fill it up and start using it. Okay, I did want to tell you how I was able to order this bag online. It has been unavailable and out of stock for a while with, it says call for availability or notify me. It's been like that for a while on the site, but I've been checking and checking, and I finally got the email that it was in, and my birthday's coming up in just a couple weeks. And I had mentioned to my husband, it's like the bag that I really wanted when we were just in New Orleans this past December. And until I told him that it's available now online, I really like to get it, but you know, no worries if not. I can wait. I can always wait. It'll be available again. But it is currently, well, actually, I don't know. It might not be available anymore because sometimes it's available for a day and then it goes away. But I did get the notification email that it was in, and then I checked the stock and it was there. And my husband said, go ahead and get it. You know, happy birthday. Because he knew I really wanted it. We'd gone to New Orleans, like I said, and they did have one there. And I looked at it and I almost got it, but it was the holidays and I had my family in town, and it just wasn't a practical thing for me to buy myself you know, a luxury handbag while we had so much going on with family and everything. So I passed it up, and the timing was right. So if it is unavailable right now online, just keep refreshing and checking and click the notify me, and they'll send you that email, and they'll let you know it's in stock. So I went ahead and jumped on it because I didn't know when it was going to come back, and I'm so happy and lucky that my husband was nice enough to say go ahead and get it. So happy birthday to me. And there you go. My Alma BB and Damier Ebene. Love it. I was just noticing that my bag matches my little accent table right there in the background. Little Damier Ebene table to match my bag. How cute is that? Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and found it helpful in ordering a Louis Vuitton bag online. And as always, please feel free to click like and click subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.